Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's Mileage and Secrets video, we are going to be looking at three main uses of this product for marketers out there. So if you're interested, stay tuned because I'm going to hop onto my computer and share with you some more. Awesome guys, here I am on my screen and welcome once again to the channel. Welcome to a Monday. I talk about Mileage and Secrets guys on a Monday specifically because it is a catalyst for the entire strategy that I have focused on. The strategy is amazing, but at the same time, it takes me just 30 minutes a day to follow the strategy. So if that's interesting for you, make sure that you do stay till the very end because I'm going to share a lot of information that might be beneficial for you. But at the end of the day, you're also getting a strategy that it is just amazing in my perspective. It is realistic to follow, and if you have 30 minutes a day on the side, you can do this. Guys, welcome to the channel. I built this channel because I wanted to give you guys tips to help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. I specifically use that with affiliate marketing, and I do it on the side. I do have a full-time job, and I follow this exact strategy that you can see on screen. And the strategy has two simple steps because I believe there are two skill sets that you can learn as a marketer for life, which is advertising and copywriting. And both these essential skill sets are shared within the strategy below. Now, I go into detail with the strategy in my course. You'll find the course in the description in case you're interested. But just to talk about it on a Monday, I speak about specifically step one, which is a cash flow generation step. Now, this cash flow generation step has given me personally, since I got started in January 2003, consistency. That's the point of this step. It's given me the consistency that I need personally to make sure that I do work this business and have affiliate marketing working for me. Now, that being said, I then apply that information and apply that knowledge within step two to be able to scale up. So it has a long-term objective with a simplified approach. Is that interesting for you guys? Make sure you do subscribe and hit that bell notification because every Monday I post videos like this and I talk about this content. So let's just go briefly and explain what Mileage and Secrets is. So Mileage and Secrets is basically a product that gives you 100 leads every single day, 100 to 200, because if you do get somebody to join Mileage and Secrets, then you get bonus 100 leads. So you're getting 200 leads every day. And as I said, the two main skill sets is advertising and copywriting. And Mileage and Secrets, in my opinion, solves the problem of advertising because getting 100 leads every day is not the easiest thing in the world. And it takes a lot of time. For someone like me who has a full-time job, this is a crucial or an asset to have because I'm not spending time going and searching for those leads, and I'm getting that consistency of having 3,000 leads at least every single month, which I can then email, and that's where the second skill set comes into place, copywriting. And it gives me a platform to practice copywriting and make sure that I'm learning and improving this skill set because it doesn't just help me within Mileage and Secrets, but copywriting also helps me build my asset, which is my email list, and improve those conversions. The main thing about any of this marketing is, yes, you need advertising to keep things rolling. But if you focus on the conversions, that's where your income potential definitely grows. Obviously, no one can guarantee you results. The results that you see in this video are my own. I have all my income disclosures in the description of this video. But just to let you understand, you are in charge of your own destiny. You are in charge of your own actions. You need to put in the work and the effort to be able to get those results. So that being said, how much does Mileage and Secrets cost? It costs you $60 the first month and then $30 every single month after that to keep it running for you. I personally have it for the last year already, and I will have it for another year and another year going on. As long as this product exists, I'm going to be using it because it is just amazing. In my opinion, it's a no-brainer. But it's up to you. If you do want to get started with Mileage and Secrets, I'm going to leave a link in the description to this page right here. All you need to do is click on join, and then you can enter your email address, make the payment and everything else, and you'll be able to join. If you do, I suggest to comment below. Let me know because I like to get in contact with the people who do join me. And we can, work with you together also to help you along your way. Now, that being said, let me go ahead. I have a presentation actually that I prepared for you guys to just cover a few important points for Mileage and Secrets. Okay, guys, so here I am on the presentation. Let's go ahead and actually get into some training because it's not just these videos that I post every Monday. It's not just about, talking about the strategy and explaining the strategy, but I want to give you guys something educational that you can then take and use and apply more than anything else. So a question that I want to ask you, which I've I've asked 1,000 times, and many people who have been following me know about this question. If you worked hard for a year or even 2 years, dedicating yourself to a plan, would it be worth it for you? This is a question that I want to ask you before you join My Leads and Secrets, before you even get into affiliate marketing, because it is not going to happen overnight. You do need to put in the work and the effort to then have your let's say the tasks that you've done, the efforts that you put in, scale up for you. But you do need to put in the work. I'm going to tell you the pros about My Legion Secrets for you guys to understand. First and foremost, it's a great space, and these are literally the three main they're literally the three main uses for marketers. It is a great space for email marketing and copywriting. Why? Because you can try anything, you can make mistakes, you will learn from those mistakes. You will have people who join you, who don't join you, who will click on the link, who don't click on the link, how much percentages can you increase that conversion rate. All of this is applicable with a My Legion Secret. So it's a good pro to have, first and foremost. Secondly, as an affiliate marketer, if you're somebody like me who has a full-time job, and that's like, the main core income source for you, then this, you don't want it to be very expensive. And any kind of marketing in the online space, specifically in the health and wellness space, or rather wellness, not wellness, wealth space, my bad, wealth space, you will be able to find a lot of products that maybe are not worth it or can be really expensive. So My Legion Secrets, first and foremost, is affordable to start. $30 per month is not a big spend, guys. It's maybe for some people it is, but it is not a huge spend, at least. So the beneficial part about all of this is that when you do get these 100 leads, as I said, at the end of the month, you're getting 3,000 leads. At the end of 2 months, you're getting 6,000 leads. At the end of 3 months, you're getting 9,000 leads that you can actually be able to send an email out every single day. So the leads build over time, which is very important. It does have a referral program. So if you want it to become a passive income stream for yourself, it can as well. You have to put in the work for it, but it can. And there are fresh leads added to the partners list every single day. Now, I want to share with you the cons as well, because it's not all hunky-dory or, kind of sunshine and rainbows. There are also cons to My Legion Secrets. One of the cons that I see is a pro and a con at the same time, is the fact that they are co-registration leads. Now, what are co-registration leads? Basically, co-registration leads, guys, are leads or email addresses of people that have basically decided to get a product or service, and they've ticked the box that says, I'm allowing myself to receive emails from other people that I don't know. So this way, I'm giving permission for that person to send me emails from other people. And these leads are basically shared with My Legion Secrets. So they're not the highest quality leads, right? They're not the leads that are going to get you the most results, but they are buyers, they are leads that who are interested in what you are sharing. The important fact of this co-registration leads is that it takes a longer time for you to get results, because you need to build a relationship with them. And as I said in the second point, it's harder to stand out because they have not, they don't know you. They're not a lead that you have, let's say, developed, nurtured through social media, through other things, and then sign up to your list. No, they're leads that don't know you. Therefore, it's harder to stand out, because also those leads are not only shared with you, but sometimes those leads are shared with other people as well. So you're not the only one. Let's say instead of receiving one email from that one person, now they're receiving 5, they're receiving 6, they're receiving 10 emails, maybe even more. Therefore, it's a lower quality of advertising. That one lead is getting bombarded by 10 people. So you have to stand out of the crowd. Why am I telling you this? Yes, there are cons, but when you understand these negative sides to My Legion Secrets in a way, you're able to then leverage to get the best results. 3 email marketing, as I said, 3 email marketing tips, which I want to share with you. So in order to be able to stand out, let's look at the cons once again so that you guys understand, right? Just to make sure that these cons are not something that's blocking you. It's not something that stopped me. I knew about them. But when you understand your audience, when you understand who you're writing to, then you're able to address those problems. So first and foremost, how do you stand out? You be personal. Your relationship building is a key for these leads, which means that you need to be able to have that know, like, and trust factor. What is the know, like, and trust factor? It's basically sharing your story. Remember, you're using My Legion Secrets to send emails. You're not receiving anything in return. So you have to be sharing your message and repeatedly develop a way that is attracting to them. So let's say you go for a week. Okay, I'm going to give you a week example. So you have 7 emails that you're sending. You start off the first email with sharing a little bit about yourself, your story, and then you can link obviously the product service that you have to offer to them. But you're sharing a little bit about yourself. Once you do that, over the week, you're able to take them through a journey. And this is the point. You're taking them through a journey. Some of them will be new leads, but they will at least be in the initial stage of the journey. Unfortunately, the way that we have to build a relationship is that you have to always think of new leads that are coming and make sure that you are able to tell your story in a short manner, but a concise manner and a consistent manner, in my opinion. Therefore, I try to repeat my whole experience in every single email in a few lines. This is something that I do. Keep the subject, email body, and sales page congruent. Oh, this is another key to stand out so that when they go through the flow, because a lot of people don't know what marketing is or email marketing is, therefore they don't know how to do exactly this, right? Keep everything congruent. They have a subject that wants to that is like a clickbait for an open, but the email copy is completely different from what the subject has to say, and the sales page that they go through is completely different. So if you have a flow that's there, that will be able to convert better for you. Remember, we're not looking at this short term, we're looking at this for 12 months. You have time to implement this. You're not going to happen in a week or 2 weeks. Sometimes it took me 3 weeks before I made my first sale. So it might take you less time, it might take you more time. I don't know. But it took me 3 weeks before I made my first sale. The last thing is ask questions to these audience, because you know that you're building a relationship with them. But when you ask questions and then add the resources, maybe in a PS link, maybe the value of the email is solid, and then you only add your link in the PS link, you stand out because you're not doing like all the other marketers out there who are bombarding these emails with pitches and sales pages and something like that. You are standing out. So do things that make you stand out. So guys, that was the training that I wanted to do for you. I hope this makes sense. I just want to show you guys specifically my results. Again, these are my results. It's nobody else's. I get consistent results every single day and every single week actually from my Legion Secrets. So I'm just going to go to all time so you get an idea. And we will bring up the tracking code MLGS here in Warrior Plus. Now, I don't do my sales. If somebody tells you that my Legion Secrets doesn't work, if there are mixed opinions out there, it's really up to your experience. I believe that all traffic sources have a value. It's just where do you want to spend the most amount of your time? Remember, I'm not using my Legion Secrets to build my email list. I'm using my Legion Secrets to build a cash flow. So for me, it's absolutely fine to leverage this platform to build a cash flow, take that money, and then build my email list with higher quality leads. And that's what I teach in my course. But what I wanted to share with you here is specifically, these are the results that I've got so far from just my Legion Secrets alone. So these are all-time sales. And if I put my Legion Secrets and I put search, yeah, here you go. You'll see that it's 167 sales that I've made so far, $2,600 worth in commissions. It's realistic. I'm not doing exaggerated numbers, guys. I'm going to show you very specifically. If I go to all 250, you'll see the first sale that I made was in March of last year, and then consistently March, April, May, June, up till February. That's now. You can see pretty much 15th, 14th, 12th, 3 or 4 times a week I'm getting sales this way by just following these strategies. Why? Because I do stand out of the crowd and follow this training that I have, these essentials that I have on affiliate marketing. Hope that makes sense. Hope that was educational for you. If you did like this video, please, guys, make sure you do hit that subscribe button, the bell notification, comment below, let me know your thoughts, and I will see you guys on the next video.